डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे प्रीवियस लेक्चर को, दैट इज द डिफेक्ट्स इन सॉलिड्स। डिफेक्ट्स इन सॉलिड्स में हमने पढ़ा था in case of solids whether it is ionic or covalent at 0 degree there is a regular arrangement of constituent particle। जब आप इस टेम्परेचर को इंक्रीज करते हैं there is deviation from the regular arrangement of constituent particle। this deviation from the regular arrangement of constituent particle उसको कहते हैं defect in solids और imperfection in the solids। जो हमारे पास defects in solids होते हैं there are two types। one is termed as stoichiometric defect, second one is termed as non-stoichiometric defect। जो हमारे पास stoichiometric defects होते हैं, in these defects is the ratio of cation and anion, it remains same as indicated by the molecular formula। that means in other words we can say they follow the law of constant proportion। another is non-stoichiometric defect। in non-stoichiometric defects the ratio of cation and anion it is not same as indicated by the molecular formula। that means they do not follow the law of constant proportion। फिर जो stoichiometric defects है इसमें हमने पढ़ा था फर्स्ट वन फ्रैंकल डिफेक्ट एंड शॉर्ट की डिफेक्ट एंड देन द फ्रैंकल डिफेक्ट। जो शॉर्ट की डिफेक्ट होता है and ions are missing from their late side leaving a hole। ions in case of short key defect equal number of anions and cations are missing from the late side thus maintaining the electrical neutrality। जो हमारे पास फ्रैंकल डिफेक्ट होता है in Frankel defect an ion is missing from the late side and occupying the interstitial side thus maintaining the electrical neutrality। फिर हमने सेकंड पॉइंट पढ़ा था जो हमारे पास शॉर्ट की डिफेक्ट होता है as ions are missing from the late side। जो हमारे पास मास होता है किसी भी क्रिस्टल का that is because of ions। जब ions मिस होंगे mass will decrease but volume will not change। अगर आप देखेंगे density is equal to mass by volume that means density in case of short key defect it decreases but in case of Frankel defect ion is missing from the late side but it is not missing from the lates। that means mass will not change, that means इसकी जो density है that will not change। फिर हमने different points पढ़ी थी। in case of short key defect there is small difference between the size of cation and anion। Frankel में large difference between size of cation and anion। फिर high coordination number low coordination number ये सब हमने पढ़ा था already। now आज जो हम topic पढ़ेंगे that is the stoichiometric defect। ये भी हमने थोड़ा सा पढ़ा था non-stoichiometric defect। non-stoichiometric defect। now in non-stoichiometric defect जो ratio of cation and anion है that is not same as indicated by the molecular formula। जो हमारे पास non-stoichiometric defects होते हैं they are of two types। it can be metal excess, metal excess or it can be metal deficient। जो मेटल डेफिशिएंट होता है इट इज ऑल्सो टर्म्ड एज नॉन मेटल एक्सेस। दिस इज सिंपल, नॉन मेटल एक्सेस। जो हमारे पास कोई भी आयनिक कंपाउंड होता है द पॉजिटिवली चार्ज्ड आयन्स दैट इज कैटायंस दे आर फॉर्म्ड बाय द मेटल्स एंड नेगेटिवली चार्ज्ड आयन्स और एनायंस दे आर फॉर्म्ड बाय द नॉन मेटल्स। व्हाट डज दिस मीन दैट मेटल एक्सेस मींस जो हमारे पास पॉजिटिवली चार्ज्ड आयन्स है, पॉजिटिव आयन्स या मेटल आयन्स they are present in excess or metal ions they are present in excess। फिर जो metal excess है इसमें हमने पढ़ा था how it can be achieved metal excess। first one A is the anion vacancy and B is by the presence of extra cation। Now what is anion vacancy? Suppose आपके पास आयनिक कंपाउंड है NaCl। Suppose we have let's take the example of NaCl। NaCl में suppose you have 100 Na positive and 100 Cl negative ions। anion vacancy means some anions are missing। suppose 2 Cl negative ions are missing, यहां पर रहेंगे 98 Cl negative ions। एक बात आपको याद रखनी है इन ऑल डिफेक्ट्स whether it is stoichiometric defect और नॉन stoichiometric defect जो इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी है that is always maintained whether it is stoichiometric defect or it is non stoichiometric defect। now 98 thus there are 98 negative and 100 positive thus to maintain this electrical neutrality electrons are present in the voids or interstitial sites. For example, there are 98 Cl negative ions and 2 electrons. अगर आप इनको ऐड करेंगे, it will be 100 negative and this is 100 positive. Thus, electrical neutrality is maintained by the presence of electron in the interstitial site. These trapped electrons जो है, they are termed as absenters. They are termed as absenters because they are responsible for imparting color to the compound. They are termed as absenters. Second point जो है, this is the extra cation. Extra cation means suppose हमारे पास NaCl का crystal है. It has 100 Na positive and 100 Cl negative. Suppose one Na positive ion is added to it, that is occupying the interstitial site. Na positive ion is occupying the interstitial site. That means there is one extra cation present in the leads. Now, to maintain the electrical neutrality, electron is occupying the another interstitial site. अगर आप positive and negative charge को add करेंगे on both sides, it will be 101 positive, 101 negative. That means electrical neutrality is maintained. Thus, in this case, that is the presence of extra cation, and extra cation, it is occupying the interstitial site, and electrical neutrality is maintained by the presence of electron in the another interstitial site. This is termed as anion vacancy. This is the extra cation. Both are metal access defects. First is the anion vacancy. Second is the by the presence of extra cation. Thus, अगर आप इसको लिखेंगे anion vacancy, in anion vacancy, an ion may be missing from the lead, and anion is missing from the lead site, leaving a hole which is occupied by an electron, thus maintaining the electrical neutrality. But in case of this, extra cation is occupying the interstitial site, और जो electrical neutrality है, that is maintained by the presence of electron in the another interstitial site. These are the two examples of this metal axis. Now, second is the metal deficient. This one is important. This one is very important. Metal deficient, या इसको कहते हैं नॉन मेटल एक्सेस. नॉन मेटल एक्सेस, it occurs in the compounds where the metal has variable oxidation state. Variable oxidation state means जहां पे metal ion जो है, it has more than one oxidation state. For example, अगर आपके पास iron है, it can be present as Fe2 positive, it can be present as Fe3 positive. Similarly, जो nickel है, it can be present as Ni2 positive, it can be present as Ni3 positive. That means these ions have the variable oxidation state. The first point about this is, in case of metal deficient or non-metal access defects, these are shown by the compounds where the metal has the variable oxidation state. इस टॉपिक को समझने के लिए let us take the following example. Let us take the following example. Variable oxidation state. Take the following example. Suppose we have nickel, 98 nickel ions, and we have 100 oxygen ions. We can write it like this. That means it is nickel oxide. Nickel oxide. अगर आप molecular formula देखेंगे इसकी, that is NiO, इसका जो ratio है, that is 1:1. This is the ratio. Now in this case it is Ni98 and O100. अगर आप electrical neutrality principle apply यहाँ पे करेंगे, suppose all are present as Ni2 positive, it will be 98 into 2. 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 196. Oxygen की अगर आप बात करेंगे, it will be 100 multiplied by 2, that will be equal to 200. That means यहाँ पे जो चार्ज है, that is 196. यहाँ पे जो चार्ज है, that is 200. यहाँ पे जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, it is less than negative charge. But in every defect there is electrical neutrality. Do one thing. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे difference between Ni2 positive and Ni3 positive, there is difference of one positive in case of Ni2 positive, and in Ni2 positive and Ni3 positive there is difference of one positive. That means यहाँ पे 4 positive की difference है, it is 200 negative and 196 positive. यहाँ पे आपको और 4 positive add करने हैं to maintain the electrical neutrality. That means अगर आप Ni2 पॉजिटिव जो है 4Ni2 पॉजिटिव को रिप्लेस करेंगे, 4Ni2 पॉजिटिव को रिप्लेस करेंगे बाय 4Ni3 पॉजिटिव, what will be the charge change in charge? That will be 4Ni2 पॉजिटिव, एक Ni2 पॉजिटिव को जब आप रिप्लेस करेंगे बाय 1 Ni2 पॉजिटिव, देयर इज डिफरेंस ऑफ +1 चार्ज। जब आप 4Ni2 पॉजिटिव को रिप्लेस करेंगे बाय 4Ni3 पॉजिटिव, देयर इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ +4 चार्ज। You are requiring that +4 charge for this electrical neutrality. Now that means out of 98, जो आपके पास 98 Ni निकल आयन्स है, 4 are present as Ni3 positive. 4 are present as Ni3 positive. जो बाकी बचेंगे टोटल दे आर 98 Ni2 positive. बाकी जो बचेंगे दैट इज 94, दे आर प्रेजेंट एज Ni2 positive. Now do one thing, apply the electrical neutrality to this. Electrical neutrality जब आप अप्लाई करेंगे, this is 4 into A का चार्ज है 3 प्लस 94 into A का चार्ज है 2, 4 3s are 12 प्लस 4 2s are 8, 9 2s are 18. जब आप इसको ऐड करेंगे it will be simply 200. Thus positive charge is equal to 200 and negative charge is equal to 200. Thus electrical neutrality is maintained. इस पे कभी कभार न्यूमेरिकल्स भी पूछते हैं इन द वेरियस कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स लाइक नीट, जेई. व्हाट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट इन द न्यूमेरिकल्स, आपको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है फ्रैक्शन ऑफ निकल प्रेजेंट एज Ni2 पॉजिटिव, फ्रैक्शन ऑफ निकल प्रेजेंट एज Ni3 पॉजिटिव, और कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ निकल आयन्स प्रेजेंट एज Ni2 पॉजिटिव, कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ निकल आयन्स प्रेजेंट एज Ni3 पॉजिटिव. ये आप इस सिंपल मेथड से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. एंड देयर इज अनदर मेथड जो हम अभी पढ़ेंगे फॉर दिस. नाउ व्हाट इज एक्चुअली मेटल डेफिशिएंट? इन मेटल डेफिशिएंट डिफेक्ट, मोर चार्ज्ड आयन्स रिप्लेस द लेस चार्ज्ड आयन्स इन द क्रिस्टल, और वी कैन से जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, अगर आप इसमें देखेंगे मोर पॉजिटिव चार्ज्ड आयन्स, मोर नंबर ऑफ less charged ions, they are replaced by less number of more positive charged ions. As a result, the electrical neutrality is maintained. The compounds in which metal defect occurs, they are termed as Berthollides. They are termed as Berthollides. That means it occurs in the compounds where the metal possesses the variable oxidation state. Now another point, another one is the impurity defect. Now what is impurity defect? Impurity defect, impurity defect में क्या है, आप क्रिस्टल को एक फॉरेन मटेरियल ऐड करते हैं, फॉरेन मटेरियल इज एडेड टू द क्रिस्टल. जो आप फॉरेन मटेरियल ऐड करेंगे वहां पे जो आयन है इट शुड हैव डिफरेंट चार्ज एज कंपेयर टू द होस्ट आयन. दैट मीन्स चार्ज ऑफ एडेड आयन, charge of added ion, it is different than that of host ion, charge on the added ion, it is different than that of host ion. That means in case of impurity defect, we are adding some foreign material to the, foreign material is added to the crystal, and the ion of the foreign material, it has different charge as compared to the charge of host ion. Suppose आपके पास NaCl का क्रिस्टल है, you are adding SrCl2 or you are adding AlCl3 to this. अगर आप देखेंगे number of vacancies created per ion, that is simple. That means अगर आप SrCl2 ऐड करेंगे, there will be Sr2 positive ions. अगर आप Al3 positive ऐड करेंगे, there will be Al3 positive ion. जब आप Al3 positive ion ऐड करेंगे to the crystal, one Al3 positive ion, it will replace 3 Na positive ions. Suppose this is the position of Na positive. अगर यहां पे Na positive ion present है, यहां पे Na positive ion है, यहां पे Na positive ion है. Now you are adding AlCl3. AlCl3 will replace 3 Na positive ions. That means इन तीन के बदले एक ही Al3 positive ion आएगा. Thus these are the vacancies. These two remain vacant. Thus अगर आप कैलकुलेट करेंगे नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज, number of vacancies created per ion. दैट मीन्स एक आयन जब आप ऐड करेंगे इससे कितनी वैकेंसीज क्रिएट होगी. नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज क्रिएटेड पर आयन. वैकेंसीज क्रिएटेड पर आयन विल बी चार्ज ऑन एडेड आयन, चार्ज ऑन एडेड आयन माइनस चार्ज ऑफ होस्ट आयन. आपको जो आप ऐड करते हैं आयन इसका चार्ज देखना है, दैट इज +3 माइनस होस्ट आयन का जो चार्ज है दैट इज 1. 3 minus 2 will be 1 will be equal to 2. That means number of vacancies created per ion in this case will be 2. Now अगर आप SrCl2 ऐड करते हैं, number of vacancies per ion will be 2 minus 1, that will be 1. अगर आपके पास 1 mole of ions है, thus it will be 1 mole. 1 ion creates 2 vacancies. 1 mole will create 2 into Avogadro's number of vacancies. This is all about defects in the solids. पहला ने पढ़ा स्टोइकोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट, नॉन स्टोइकोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट एंड देन इम्प्योरिटी डिफेक्ट. अब हम कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स करेंगे आस्क्ड इन द वेरियस कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स. फर्स्ट वन, formula of nickel oxide with a metal deficiency in it is formula of nickel oxide, formula of nickel oxide, formula of nickel oxide with metal deficiency defect, with metal deficiency defect, that means it has metal deficiency defect. Formula of a nickel oxide with metal deficiency defect, in it is crystal, metal deficiency defect, in it is crystal. आपके पास निकल ऑक्साइड का एक क्रिस्टल है in which there is metal deficiency defect. इसकी जो फॉर्मूला है that is Ni 0.980. The crystal contains Ni2 positive and that means it contains, जो आपके पास क्रिस्टल है निकल ऑक्साइड का, it contains Ni2 positive and Ni3 positive ions. Ni2 positive and Ni3 positive ions. The fraction of nickel existing as Ni2 positive. The fraction of nickel existing as Ni2 positive is. Question is the formula of nickel oxide with metal deficient defect in its crystal is Ni 0.980. It contains Ni2 positive and Ni3 positive ions. The fraction of nickel ions existing as Ni2 positive are. जो पहला ऑप्शन है that is first option is 0.96. It is 0.04 second. 0.50, 0.31, 0.50, 0.31. It is asked in NEET Orissa 2019. And this question is very simple. There are two methods to do this numerical. First one, Ni 0.98, Ni 0.982. आपके पास जो निकल है इट इज प्रेजेंट एज Ni2 पॉजिटिव एंड Ni3 पॉजिटिव. सपोज जो Ni2 पॉजिटिव आयंस है दैट इज इक्वल टू x. बाकी जो बचेगा आउट ऑफ 0.98 दैट विल बी प्रेजेंट एज Ni3 पॉजिटिव. सो Ni3 पॉजिटिव टोटल जो निकल है दैट इज 0.98. आपने Ni2 पॉजिटिव को रखा एज x. Ni3 पॉजिटिव विल बी 0.98 माइनस x. फाइनली अप्लाई द इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी. दैट मींस जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा along on this nickel ions that will be equal to the negative charge on oxygen. इसका चार्ज है 2, that means 2 multiplied by x plus इसका चार्ज है 3. number of ions is equal to 0.98 minus x that will be equal to इसका जो चार्ज है that will be equal to 2 minus 2 will be charge on one oxygen atom. It will be 2x minus 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, 28, 29, 29. It will be 2.94 minus 3x. That will be equal to minus 2. 2x minus 3 that will be equal to minus that will be equal to minus x, that is equal to minus x will be equal to minus 2x plus 3 into 0.98 minus x, that will be equal to 2. That means charge is equal to 2. That will be minus x will be equal to minus 2 plus 2.94. Ni2 positive will be equal to x, Ni3 positive will be 0.98 minus x. That means 2x plus 3 into 0.98 minus x will be equal to minus 2. 2x minus 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, 28, 29. Sorry, it is plus on this side. Plus on this side, that minus x, that will be equal to this. Or you can calculate it like this. Charge will be same on both sides. It will be minus x, that is equal to 2 minus 2.94, or minus x will be equal to 0.94. x का जो value होगा, that will be 0.94. That means number of Ni2 positive ions will be 0.94. अगर आप fraction निकालेंगे Ni2 positive का, that will be equal to 0.94 divided by 0.98. 0.94 divided by 0.98. 0.94 divided by 98 आप इसको लिख सकते हैं 94 divided by 98. 98 is almost equal to 94. That means इसका value होगा close to 1, but denominator is more. Thus it will be close to 1 but less than 1. अगर आप यहां से देखेंगे, this is only option that is very close to 1 but less than 1. Thus it is the answer. 0.94 is its right answer. Its answer is 0.94. That will be equal to 0.96, because 94 divided by 98, this almost equal to 1, but denominator में 98 is more as compared to 94, but it is almost equal to this. It will be close to 1 but less than 1. So the answer is 0.94. 0.94 will be the correct answer. Now second method. Second method will be like this. It is Ni 0.98. O1. अगर आप दोनों को मल्टीपल करेंगे by 100, it will be Ni98 O100. First point. Point number second. अगर आप देखेंगे Ni98, अगर आप यहां से Ni2 positive रखेंगे, Ni2 positive into that means Ni2 positive का चार्ज होगा, that will be 2 into 98, that will be equal to 196. अगर आप ऑक्सीजन का चार्ज देखेंगे 2 into 100, that will be equal to 200. that means यहाँ पे 4 पॉजिटिव चार्ज कम है. अगर आप इनको Ni2 पॉजिटिव लेके चलेंगे, there is 4 positive charge less as compared to the negative charge. Negative charge is equal to 200, but positive charge is equal to 196 only. That means जो 4 Ni positive ions है, 4 Ni2 positive ions, they are replaced by 4 Ni3 positive ions. जब आप इनको रिप्लेस करेंगे भाई 4 Ni3 positive ions, अगर फिर आपको अप्लाई करना है इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी. 4 into 3 का चार्ज होगा, 4 का चार्ज होगा 3 positive, 4 into 3 plus out of 98, if 4 have plus 3 charge, जो बाकी बचेंगे 94, they have charge of plus 2, 4 2s are 12, 8 9 2s are 18, it will be equal to 200. Thus electrical neutrality is maintained. So अगर आप यहां देखेंगे, there are 4 Ni3 positive ions and there are total है 98. If 4 are present as Ni2 positive, Ni3 positive, thus 94 will be present as Ni2 positive. Now आप फ्रैक्शन कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. It will be 94. 94 is Ni2 positive. Total ions है 98 divided by 98. That is same जो पहला आंसर आया था. That is close to 1 but less than 1. That means 0.94 will be the right option. These are the two methods through which you can calculate this numerical. This was asked in NEET Orissa 2019. Now another one. A compound is formed by, this is asked in NEET 2019. NEET 2019. A compound formed by cation C and anion A. Compound formed by cation C and anion A. आपके पास एक compound है, it is formed by cation C and anion A. The anion forms the hexagonal close packing. जो anion है, it forms hexagonal close packing. And cation is occupy hexagonal close packing lattice, and cation is occupy, cation जो है, they occupy 75% of octahedral voids. They occupy 75% of octahedral voids. You have to calculate formula of the compound. Formula of compound, that will be, जो ऑप्शन ए है, that is C3A2. ऑप्शन सेकंड जो है, that is C3A4. C3A4. ऑप्शन सी जो है, that is C4A3. एंड ऑप्शन डी जो है, that is equal to C2A3. C2A3. Now how you can calculate this? अगर आपको याद होगा, इनके सब क्लोज पैकिंग, whether it is FCC face centered cubic close packing or it is hexagonal close packing, जो हमारे पास number of tetrahedral voids होते हैं, that is equal to 2 into number of atoms or constituent particles, और जो हमारे पास octahedral voids होते हैं, that is equal to the number of constituent particles or number of atoms present in the crystal. जो हमारे पास compound है, it is formed by cation C and anion A. Anion A forms the close packing. Let number of anions be x. अगर आपके पास number of anions equal to x, therefore number of octahedral voids, they will be x, because in case of hexagonal close packing, number of octahedral voids is equal to the number of anions. Now that means anion forms the close packing, thus there will be number of anions or Z effective for ions, that will be equal to x times A. Number of cations कितने होंगे, that will be equal to x octahedral voids, but 75% of voids are occupied, that will be equal to 75 divided by 100 into x. ये होंगे number of C. x A रेशो अगर आप देखेंगे, that will be 70 divided by 100 x C. This will cancel out with this 75. It is 25 3s are 25 4s are. It will be A, इसकी जो फार्मूला, it will be A C 3/4. A एक बचेगा यहाँ पे, C बचेंगे 3/4, C 3/4. Now अब आप इसको मल्टीपल करेंगे by 4, it will be A4 C 3/4 into 4. This 4 will go with this 4. That means जो इसकी फॉर्मूला है, that will be A4C3. A4C3. A4C3 is the RC3A4. Option number B, that is the right option. This was asked in. This is my third. This was asked in NEET 2019. इस क्वेश्चन को आप कैसे करेंगे? First you have to let suppose number of anions or number of constituent particles that forms a close packing, उसको आप रखेंगे x or a or b or c whatever, or you can write it as 1 as well. अगर आप यहाँ पे 1 रखेंगे, thus number of octahedral voids will be equal to, that will be equal to 1, or x or y, जो आप यहाँ पे number of anions रखेंगे, that will be equal to number of octahedral voids. फिर आप इसको simply calculate करेंगे, number of anions will be equal to x, that means x a will be number of a will be present XA will be present. 75% of octahedral voids are occupied. That means the number of C will be equal to 75 divided by 100. That is 75% of X. That is 75 divided by 100 into X will be equal to C. फिर आप इनका रेशियो निकालते हैं. That will give the molecular formula. XA is to 75 by 100 X. X will cancel out with this. 75 को जब आप डिवाइड करेंगे by 100, that is equal to 3 by 4. It will be AC3 by 4 or A4C3 or C3A4 will be the answer. This is right option, C3A4. This was all about the close packing. This was all about defects in the solids. Defects in the solids can be stoichiometric, non-stoichiometric. In stoichiometric, the ratio of cation and anion remains same as indicated by the molecular formula. But अगर आप non-stoichiometric की बात करेंगे, ratio of cation and anion is not same as indicated by the molecular formula. फिर जो हमारे पास stoichiometric defect है, it can be Schottky, it can be Frankel. और जो हमारे पास non-stoichiometric है, it can be metal excess, it can be metal deficient. जो metal excess है, it can be by anion vacancy or it can be by the presence of extra cation. और जो metal deficient है, it occurs in the compounds where the metal shows the variable oxidation state. That means metal can be present in more than one oxidation status. Example यहाँ पे है Ni 0.98. These are the examples. Nickel 0.96 O, nickel 0.98 O, iron 0.94 O. These are the examples of metal deficient defects, compounds with metal deficient defects. फिर हमने लास्ट में पढ़ा this impurities. जब आप impurity ऐड करते हैं, that is foreign material आप ऐड करते हैं to the crystal, वहां पे जो added ion है इसका चार्ज होता है different as compared to the charge of the host ion. फिर number of ions created per ion वो आप कैसे निकालते हैं? That is equal to the charge of added ion minus charge of host ion. Al cell 3 की एग्जांपल हमने ली, Sr cell 2 की हमने एग्जांपल ली थी. That means if you know for one atom, that is ions created, vacancies created per ion. If you can calculate that, you can calculate the number of ions, number of vacancies created per mole of ions or per 2 mole of ions, per 3 mole of ions. This was all about imperfection in solids.